Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Logo Design. Today I will show you how to design a logo using the golden ratio. Make sure to watch the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the rectangle tool. Hold Shift-Alt and make a perfect square. Select a stoke color from here. OK. Now hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Select Rectangle tool. Hold Shift and make a perfect square in this corner. Hold Shift and make another square perfectly aligned with the other squares. Again hold Shift and make another square from the other squares. Now we got our golden rectangle. Select all and rotate. After that, select the ellipse tool. Go to the corner of a small square, hold Shift and drag like this. Now repeat the same process to make a circle for each square. Now hold Shift and select every circle. OK. Now click and drag out. After that, select all and go to the Align. Select Horizontally Align Center and Vertical Align Center from here. OK. Now hold Shift and select these three circles. Hold Alt and drag out. Select all and go to the stoke. Take the stoke thickness around 10 pt. Perfect. After that, select all and go to the object, expand, and click OK. Now select this circle and drag it out. Drag and place it like this. Perfect. Select, hold Alt, and drag to make a copy. And place it like this. Perfect. After that, hold Alt and drag to make a copy. And place it like this. Hold Shift and select these two circles. And hold Alt and make a copy. After that, select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and drag. Hold Shift and select this, this, and this. And select a color from here. Now right-click on the mouse, and go to the Arrange, Bring to Front. Select this and bring it to the front. After that, go to the Line Segment tool. And draw a line from this corner to this corner. Now, hold Shift and select these two shapes. Go to the Pathfinder and divide. Right-click, and ungroup. Now hold Shift and select this shape. And go to the Pathfinder, divide, and ungroup. Now select these extra parts and press Delete. After that, select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and drag. Now select this circle. And place it here. And select a color from here. Now select, hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Select these two circles. Select the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and delete these extra parts. Okay, our logo design is almost complete. Now it needs some color to stand out. Now hold Shift and select these three shapes. Press I on the eyedropper tool and select this gradient color. Now select these parts and select this color. Select this and pick this color. Select these parts and select this color. Select this and this color. After that, select this and go to the Gradient tool. With the Gradient tool, adjust the colorway you want. Press G on the Gradient tool, and adjust the colorway you want. After that, select these two shapes and bring them to the front. Now select the Pen tool. Make a shadow like this. OK. Hold Shift and select this. And pick this color. Perfect. Our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.